Hey everyone, George here, the Disney Italiano with Abby. Not at Disneyland, not at Universal. No, we're actually home.
Home.
Home is where the heart is. Very good movie, but very sad movie. Well, in some parts.
We're rarely here. No,
Yes,
just kidding.
we actually, it's very rare you guys will actually see us here just sitting doing nothing, because we're always on the go doing something, whether we're at the El Capitan seeing a movie, we're at the parks recording, or
Universal.
doing the fan fest or food reviews, late night Disney event. You never know what you're going to get with us. But today we are home for one reason and one reason only, and that is to do an unboxing of, can you hold that for me please, of Magic Candle Company. So we have some items here. We have some items here that we're going to unbox and will potentially have as giveaways for future videos. And we're gonna unbox it and show you what's inside. So let's see, shall we? And the reason why we're doing this is because I am now currently an affiliate with Magic Candle Company. If you use my promo code Citrico15 upon checkout on magiccandlecompany.com, you'll get 15% off your entire order. And it's not just for one-time use, folks. You can use it over again and again and again for as long as you want their items to kind of give you that Disney experience right in your very own home.
Yep.
If you use promo code Citrico15, 15% off your entire order. So without further ado, let's do this. Maybe.
Other way.
Oh, that's probably why.
Yeah.
I'm just trying not to get stabbed.
See, ask a nurse for scissors, so of course I have only
Yes.
bandage scissors.
And I do apologize, folks, if you happen to see some shaking and rattling. It's the table we're on while I'm trying to get the box open. What's these? So we got a little postcard here. And it says, Magic Candle Company, bringing the vacation to you.
Yes. So if any of you haven't seen the Magic Candle Company, they actually have scents from around the parks in different forms. So I ordered a few things because
Yes.
I have bought their product before. So
And then here's their paper. They actually themed their paper, which is really cool. They could have just stuffed it with toilet paper and we wouldn't even-
and their little
But-
logo looks like a people mover.
Yes,
Isn't
I
that
absolutely
cute?
love that. But I love how they utilize their logo with everything. Staying on brand. Good for them. Yeah, they could have used tissue paper, paper towels, toilet paper, but no, they're going for the good stuff. Okay, so let's start with one of the candles, shall we? Let's see. Oh, they got some good bubble wrap here. We should save this.
For when we
For
ship
when we
them
ship
to
them
you
out.
guys.
So we have bringing the vacation to you. So this candle is splash scented. Now I wonder what that can proclaim to.
Possibly a retired ride.
Yes, that everybody adores and misses.
So why don't you buy the scent?
And you can relive it in your very own house. So I wonder, does it just, oh yeah, it does.
Does it smell like the ride?
Actually, it kind of does. That's amazing.
Oh yeah,
Wow, that light takes you right back.
I know. Zippity doo dah.
Zippity.
Wow.
That's impressive.
Okay, so the candles that I did buy is their top 10 scents. So really, we did not know which scents we were gonna get.
Yeah.
So that's why it's a surprise to both of us.
Yes. So we have Tiki Terrace, which is
What's that for?
obviously in the tiki room. It smells good, but I don't know if that smells like the tiki room. It smells like a cookie.
It doesn't smell like a cookie. It smells like you're supposed to be walking into, like, because it has like a coconutty smell. You know, smell
Oh, okay.
That's what
I
you're
see.
thinking
I
the
see.
cookie
Oh, okay.
is.
That's why. Yeah. And you know what? I hear too. Like once you actually light and burn these,
It's a lot better.
you really get the scent. And after I got a better whiff of it, yeah, it has like a coconut like pineapple-y.
But the little pictures are so cute.
Yeah, I love how. Now, of course, Magic Candle Company isn't owned by Disney. It's a private owned company, so obviously they can't
use the actual.
Yeah, they
names.
can't use the names like for instance, this one is Haunted, meaning for Haunted Mansion, but they can't use Disney's The Haunted Mansion, so they have to, utilize their own
spin on things.
I could see that
Oh yeah.
inside like an old, creaky mansion.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, it smells like my great aunt Dolores.
Oh, she haunted.
Well, she's passed.
Wow, she's gonna haunt us now.
Yes. Love and miss you, Aunt Dora.
So please don't haunt us.
Yes. Let's see. We have Wilderness Resort, which I'm assuming is for Wilderness or the Wilderness Lodge.
I think so, and I wouldn't know the smell because I've never been.
I will, because I've been. Oh yeah. So, actually, it probably would remind you of like the Grand Californian, because it has that same.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Very good.
Wilderness.
I have to say though, every single smell we've
Smells
smelled,
really good,
they
actually.
smell really good. Whether if they're themed to something of Disney or not, they're just really good smells. Let's see. Now, these ones, let's just say this, because we're not gonna open these because we would have to actually like dispense the soap out. But this one is Flying Over Fiji, which I'm for sure probably has like a tropical kind of islander suntan lotion kind of smell.
So this one is a actual foaming hand soap. Because they do have like sanitizers and different things.
Now we should know something about this one.
I think we specifically ordered that
Yes.
for our good friend.
Yes. My bro, Mr. Orange Grove 55.
And this is the reason why I love soaring over California versus
Yes.
over the world.
Yes, because you don't get the Orange Grove smell. And I'm sorry, soaring over California, that should be
In California.
in California. Soaring over the world, it fits Epcot, you know? And then we have Banshee Flight. Now, I have not yet smelt this scent.
I
so
think we have a candle.
we do have a
with it.
candle, yeah. So actually, I'm going to pull the candle out right now with the soap. Because I'm very curious of what this one smells like. Because I've never smelled this one before.
Okay,
Because
so
I, too, also have bought products there before becoming an affiliate. Oh.
what?
Have you been on Flight of Passage?
Yes.
Oh, that's definitely Flight of Passage.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It smells good. I'm glad that we have the soap.
Yeah. And then we have, I think, one last soap here. And it's Yar Matey Pirate's Life.
And I have smelled that one because I had a special request from one of my good friends that's one of the things I did buy from Magic Candle Company prior to
And then
this.
we have Polynesian, which is based off of Polynesian Village Resort at Walt Disney World.
Never been, but
Yeah, I've been in that. Oh yeah, wow, does that Magic Candle Company? I don't know how you do it. Like, it's literally almost like they just like grab the air of where they're at and like just shove it in a candle or a soap, or it's amazing. And then This is the, just like the soap. Here's the candle, Orange Grove. This one's really good. Oh, God, it's so good.
It's like flying over,
Yeah,
soaring over California.
literally. Sorry, folks, you may not be getting some of these.
Hey.
Oh, all right, okay, you will. If I could always get us some more, so. Here, we'll do the Pirate Life.
Pirate Life. See, if there's one of their top 10, that means.
Yes.
Because that's what the special was their top 10 cents.
So is this like the Pirate Water?
It's supposed to be like the pirate water from Pirates of the Caribbean. My favorite ride.
I'm trying. It smells good.
No, when you light it, it smells.
Oh, you know what? It's very subtle. This is the one I think that, yeah, when you light it and you burn it, yeah, you could smell it, but it's like it's in the back part. But yeah, I think honestly, if you light
when you light it, it smells like you're in the ride.
And then we got Pineapple Whip.
Which is, of course, one of my faves also.
Oh, yeah. Just give me a spoon.
Right?
I'll eat the wax.
Don't eat the wax.
Yeah, don't eat the wax.
Please.
Now, I'd never smelled this one either, but I'm very curious about it. And it is Contemporary. Based off of the famous hotel. Grand Floridian. No, I'm just kidding. The Contemporary Hotel. Now, I've been in the Contemporary. I know what it smells like.
Like I've said, I've only been to Florida twice, and I've never visited any of the resorts.
But I'm curious to see. Apparently, it's still going to be a mystery. If I can't get this off. There we go.
Maybe because it's so hard to get a reservation. No, I'm just kidding. Just like the resort.
Yeah, that's Contemporary for sure. As soon as you walk in, you walk into like the main lobby, or if coming off the monorail, it literally smells like the inside of the hotel. That is amazing. Let's see what else we have here.
So I got a.
What's this?
I wanted to see with these. It's a mini hand sanitizer.
Oh, nice.
So I got it over, of course, flying over the orange groves.
Yes. Are we keeping that one for us?
Yeah, that's mine.
Oh, okay.
Because I wanted to see how they were. So
of course.
I bought one.
Let's see. And then we have, these are the air fresheners. Awesome. And then we have more paper. I'm saving this paper. This paper is awesome. I'm actually going to throw that back in the box there. Because this is the end part of our little box opening. So we have a handful of
air fresheners for your car or.
So we have it of Wilderness, Pineapple Whip,
watch me wait.
Pirate Life. Now this was like the box, so you didn't pick these, correct? Like it just automatically gave you them. Okay.
Yeah.
Then Flying Over Orange Groves, Haunted. Polynesian, Tiki Terrace, Banshee Flight, Splash, and Contemporary. So are we keeping any for the car?
We may keep one or two for the car.
Okay, you pick. You pick which ones you want to keep, and whatever is left over, just for, I'm still going to figure out what to do with the hand soaps and the candles, but for the air fresheners, here's how you can get a free one from us. Go on to magiccandlecompany.com, place an order. It could be a small order, it could be a big order. It could be a set like we got, It could be 2 candles. It could be a candle and a soap, 2 soaps, whatever you want to get.
You let us know.
You let us know. Plus, and then if you use Citrico 15, you'll get the 15% off, which I will get notified by Magic Candle Company. So I would know you made the purchase. Message me or Abby on social media. It could be on Instagram. You can probably find us on Instagram probably more.
We do have the Citrico Central Instagram. If you haven't followed, please follow.
Yes, which we both run that particular Instagram together, or we have our individuals. So if you place an order with Magic Candle Company, use my Citrico 15 promo code. You'll get 15% off. Let us know, and you will have your choice of a free air freshener coming out to you from us.
Yes. So when you message us, you will need to send us a mailing address, and we will mail it out.
Yes, and then just let us know which one you would like. If you happen to forget which ones we have, we will send them to you. You pick, and yes, along with your mailing address, we will send that out to you.
Yes.
But again, you are eligible for that with a purchase on magiccandlecompany.com with my promo code, and then you can get a free air freshener.
Mm-hmm.
And that is everything that we've unboxed. Thank you all for joining us today. Thank you for joining me. And of course, thank you for Magic Candle Company for allowing me to be an affiliate. And we have all their very, very in-depth products that literally take you right to the park. Mm-hmm. And and I'm not just saying that.
Like the pineapple whipped, he wants to eat it.
I do, yeah. And I'm not just saying that because I'm an affiliate. Like, I was already a customer of theirs even prior to this. I love their products, so I thought, how can we kind of like partner up with this? So again, it's to help them, to help me, to help you. Mm-hmm. So I want to thank you all for joining us today on this beautiful Wednesday evening right here at our house, which take it as a treat, folks, because I don't know how many of these we'll be doing at home because we're never home.
Yeah.
So until the next time, as I say in Disney Italiano fashion, stay safe, stay healthy, stay Disney. Italiano out.